Hi everyone, thanks for clicking on the video. In this video, what I want to go over is a mortgage payment schedule that I created, and what this schedule does and why it's a little bit different is it automates everything for you whenever you are creating a payment schedule for your mortgage. So what the schedule is going to do is I'm just going to enter some basic information up here at the top, and the rest of this is going to be populated to show your payment schedule through whatever time period that you need it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is enter in the purchase price. So say that we bought this house or whatever property that we bought it for $367,000. Okay, and we put $20,000 down, so our loan amount is going to be $347,000. So you can see now that it went ahead and populated my payment based on the information that I already put in there. But we need to put a couple more things in. We're going to put the interest rate in, so let's just say that our interest rate's 5.25%. And we have PMI, it's going to be 0.5%. And the term, we're going to leave at 360, so that's a 30-year mortgage. And assume that we have monthly taxes of $217. And we have monthly insurance of $175. Down here is going to calculate my payment, and that payment's going to be brought over into my schedule. Next thing that we're going to do is just enter in the first payment date for our mortgage. So let's assume that we're going to start paying on this mortgage in May. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in May 1st, 2020. And it's going to automatically change my schedule based on that information that I put in. And then what's really good about it is it's going to give you all the totals for all of the different categories of things that you're paying. So you can see when you purchase a house for $367,000, and you have a loan of $347,000, you're over the life of the loan are going to pay interest of $342,000, and you're going to pay PMI of $15,000, taxes, insurance $141,000. And your total is going to be $846,000 of payments for that house. And then down here we have the payoff period. So this is all good information to have, because now that I have this information, what I can do is I can come down here and I can manipulate this a little bit. So say that I want to see how I can minimize the amount that I'm paying for my house by making additional payments. I can come down here and say I put another $10,000 towards my principal. That's going to reduce my payoff period to 28 years, and it's going to reduce the total payments and interest that I paid over the life of the loan. So that's kind of nice to be able to do, is just see if I do some additional payments, what the effect of that will be on my loan. So it's a nice tool in that way. The other thing that's nice about this is the PMI. It's structured so that the PMI, once you meet your 20% down of your loan, your PMI kind of falls off here. So then it shows you how you reduce your payment. So like I said before, right now you're paying $15,000 in PMI. Let's see what happens if we pay an additional $10,000. So our PMI goes down to $12,000, and it's a lot. We get out of our PMI a lot faster. And the last thing about the schedule is it's going to just populate through the end of your time period, and it's not going to continue to go down into negative numbers into your balance. It's going to end whenever your loan ends. So let's say that we wanted to do a 15-year loan. So let's do 15 years. So 180 months. It's going to end at 180 months here. And then you can see here what the effect of that is. We're paying it off in 14.5 years because we added an additional $10,000. So if we take that out, it's going to get us back to our 15, and this is what we're going to be paying over 15 years. And you can just manipulate the schedule by just changing the information here, and adding additional payments as necessary. So this template's available in the store at the AccountingExL website. I'll leave a link in the description to the download. And if you want to see additional tools as they come out and as I put them on the website, go ahead down here to the right hand corner, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Typically when I put a new product in the store, I release a new video to go over the product. So hopefully you think this is helpful, and we'll see you all next time.